everything I'm gonna do here is similar process to what we've been doing so far, where I just, you know, round one, don't try anything on, just based on the look and feel, take it out, put it on a hanger, hang it up, because I just feel like I need to see everything out before we do round two tomorrow, which will be the try on portion. Very few things that I'm definitely gonna just keep as summer only, like true summer pieces, like jean shorts and things like that I just don't need out right now. So my goal is to have one bin of just summer, strictly summer things that I can put away, but everything else should be out. Basically, if I could wear it right now, I want it to be visible. Such a good find. I actually had this altered and I love it. This is actually a nasty gal find that I'm so happy I got because it fits me really nicely. It's a gorgeous color. So this I thrifted recently. Really, I feel like I don't have anything like it, and that's why I got it, but is it my personal style? Like, would I wear this? Would I gravitate toward this when building an outfit? That is the $1,000,000 question. I'm gonna say maybe for now. Talk about a vintage gem. This is iconic. This I found when we were thrifting in LA, Orange County, and I haven't worn it yet, but I feel like she could definitely, her day in the sun is coming, you know what I mean? So this was one of my favorite thrift trips of all time when I found this jacket. I think I took you guys on that trip, and we found so much. Actually, it was the same day that we found the Tennis Anyone sweater. You guys are about to see a lot of pastels that I literally used to store things per season. Like, it was that bad where I could only have like a season out at a time. It wasn't even fall, winter, spring, summer anymore. It was just like winter, fall, spring, summer. Every single season I had to rotate because I just had too much, and obviously it's really hard for me to part ways with the things that I find and that I love. This is cute. Do you guys know that website Shop Cider? So it's supposed to be a more conscious fast fashion site where they basically cut out their manufacturer or something, like some middleman is cut out, which in turn makes the whole process a little bit more sustainable. Yeah, they got me last year. I bought so many things from there that I feel like I still have not worn, and so I'm gonna make a real big effort to do that this season, because if you buy it, you have to commit to it. I wonder if I should just have like a spring section. Should we mix it up and put it where it belongs, or just have a dedicated section? Welcome back. It's the next day. Don't mind me. I'm in a full face mask, new turban, robe, you know the deal. But I just want to show you guys the progress we've made. So just based off yesterday's like preliminary picking things out that I know no longer serve me, without trying anything on, just like the things that like immediately stood out that I didn't want in my closet moving forward, we have 2 full IKEA bags. These are things that I just have to alter. I have brunch with my friends today, and then it's the season finale of Euphoria, so we're tapped for events today, and I don't think I'll have time to properly go through everything, try everything on today, but it's happening this week, so stay tuned for that. I will update you guys on, you know, what happens with everything. I'm listing a lot of these things on my Depop and my Poshmark, probably mostly on Depop, because everything I'm listing is vintage, and then everything else I'm just gonna go ahead and donate. So yeah, that's kind of the process. I'm gonna walk you guys through where we landed on everything and how everything's looking so far. So when you walk in, you have the 2 racks. Here I mostly have just tops and vests, and then here we have skirts and shorts, new items like I mentioned that I want to sell or that I have like a video for, and then pants. We have my shoe wall. She's looking pretty great and organized, and everything here I love and I want to wear, so I'm really excited about that. We have some overflow of shoes here. I want to leave space here for any other shoes that I kind of bring in, but for now I also have my scarves, my handkerchiefs, my ties, anything like accessory related, you know, like gloves, things like that, bow ties, all of that is kind of here for now. I'll probably have to get some sort of basket or bin to organize this a little bit better so it's not just like out there, but for now this works. Then up here, you guys know we have my jackets and blazers and lightweight coats essentially, so that's all that. I don't know if I mentioned this yesterday, but I need sort of like middle support for all my racks because right now they're looking extra bendy, so we don't love that. Summer bags, wicker bags that don't really fit on my bag wall right now. I have them just down here, belts at the bottom there. And then my bag wall, I'm really happy that I have a little bit of space left for any incoming new bags, but also like the color wall. The color coordination is key here. This isn't final yet, but I have right now just like my everyday makeup here to use, my mirror, these shoes I have to shoot, and then basically jewelry here. And I want to hang this Chelsea as of late. This was one of my first ever gifts I got as a content creator, so I want to hang this somewhere. It's significant. It's, you know, has a lot of sentimental value to me, but I haven't found where yet. And then on this side we have the mirror. This is a Lulu and Georgia mirror I got last year. We have my dresses, which once I started pulling out my summer dresses that I could wear right now, or like more like spring summer dresses, this filled up pretty quickly. So forget what I said about not having a lot of dresses yesterday. And then we also have my longer robes here as well toward the back. Anything that just touches the floor is basically here. And then on this last rack I have my sweater vest. This is basically the knits wall. So these are my sweater vests, sweaters, cardigans, anything knit, short sleeve sweaters, all that is here. And then obviously this is gonna be for spring and not summer. And then down here I have my hats, turbans, as well as like larger hats over there. I'm gonna style this shelf up a little bit more, but for now it just like needs to hold what it needs to hold. And then up here, finally I have folded sweatshirts, smaller tops, turtlenecks, t-shirts, anything that's basically foldable. I didn't want to hang, I put here. But yeah guys, like I said, I probably won't be able to try everything on today because I just want to be like a one-day thing. I don't want to have to like break it up and like lose steam and all of that, so I'll probably do that sometime this week and share with you guys. But for now I'm really happy with how everything's coming along. I mean, this is it. This is my dream closet. I can't believe I feel like I look around and I'm still like a little bit in shock that this is my space, that this space is mine, that I have all my things in one place. Like I put away a bin of summer things, strictly things that I can only wear during the summer, and it was like this big. Like I was so happy because most of my life my things have been in bins and, you know, shifting seasons and moving and lifting, and I'll probably have back problems when I'm older because of all the lifting and moving I've done of my crap over the years. But not anymore. That ends now because I have my closet, and she looks amazing. I feel so inspired. I want to like make all the outfits. But anyway, I won't get sappy with y'all. Stay tuned for the try on portion of this video. Good morning, family. It is Monday. It's a new week. I'm still wearing the same turban. I literally cannot take it off. But we are back in the closet, and today is try on day. I want to spend a good chunk of time trying everything I have in this closet, which is a lot, on, and making sure I still love it, it still fits well. I still want to keep it in my wardrobe, and it is part of my collective, you know, style, etc., etc. So let's get started. We have a lot to get through today. We're starting off with pants and bottoms. Another option too is alterations. So if anything that I really love and want to keep doesn't fit perfectly, I always have the option to, you know, take it in for a few moderation if I really think it's going to be key to keep the piece. These are really good. These are some light wash jeans I found at Savers. I generally don't get lucky at Savers here in New York, but these were really good, and they have like the little vintage foot strap, which I thought was cute. Yeah, they're a really good fit. These I bought off of Target last year, and they have served me well. They're perfect, they're comfy. I love the color. I got these for a Y2K party last year. Not only do they not fit me well, they are also not really just like my personal style. I love Y2K, but like more me, more, you know. Anyway, the point is they're not really fitting into my wardrobe currently, so letting these bad boys go. These are more like my style of Y2K. They're funky, but like I can still wear them with a bunch of things and like build a bunch of different outfits around them. They're not so specific like the flame ones. My booty look good too. These are super good and very versatile. Their checker print was huge last year, and I actually thrifted these. They're who were originally, but I found them at the thrift and they're still holding up. I like them. And yeah, I mean, just just because they were trendy last year doesn't mean you can't rock them this year. Speaking of trends, are you guys looking forward to any spring trends? Are you guys paying attention to spring trends? Anything I should know? Let me know in the comments. I've kind of checked out from trends for a while now. So these were almost a goner. I almost got rid of them, but I really wanted to make them work because they're cute, they fit me well, they're current. There was something about the leg that was bothering me. I think it was just like, it's almost like it knows I'm talking to y'all and it wants to just choo away at the current moment. But it's okay, New York City living. As I was saying, something about the length was off, and so I just threw on some heels and low-key a fit. It just needed a little height. Okay, y'all, we have moved on to skirts. As you can see, I did pretty well in the pants, got rid of a few that no longer served me, and now we're going through skirts. I just love this find, this little tutu skirt I thrifted last year. I really want to find like a white version of this, maybe even like a mini version. Super cute. Okay, y'all, we are starting on tops. We did really well with skirts, got rid of a few, and on tops we're starting with vests. This was when I was kind of deciding if I should keep or toss. Right now it's giving keep. Yeah, it's giving keep. This kind of reminds me of the first outfit that they opened Sex and the City, the first movie with Carrie. Might recreate that outfit. You guys know which one I'm talking about? This is nice. This is also helping me kind of like feel inspired again to create outfits with all of these pieces. Once you try them on, you just, you know, your brain starts buzzing. 10 out of 10 recommend. Try everything you own on and, you know, see if it sparks joy, see if it sparks ideas, inspiration, and if it doesn't, maybe it's time to pass it on to better life. Super cute. I have way too many things that I just can never get rid of because they're just so good. I guess it's the perk of shopping for your personal style versus trends, is that the things that you buy you are gonna want to keep forever. Not me realizing things. So this one I actually recently thrifted, but I went to make an outfit with it the other day and I got kind of stuck. I really love the print and the colors of it. It's got that kind of like metallic sheen to it. So I'm gonna keep it for now, put it in that rack of like style immediately. Not to the shop she goes. This one I don't even have to try on. I took this J. Crew vest that I thrifted. It's sort of like a utility khaki vest, and I put a bunch of pins on it, and it's been, I mean, this is like a piece of art. Should probably hang somewhere. It was like a weekend in the fall last year where I just wore this vest the whole time, and I loved it. Okay. Proceed with caution, I guess. Alright, so this was a top that I was unsure about when I was doing the preliminary cleansing, but having tried it on, it's definitely a keep. I mean, even like maybe with a midi skirt and heels or something, I feel like it's a vibe. She's staying. Same goes for this one. On the hanger, it was just kind of like, I never really wore it, but on, I remember why I brought it home. We're not doing well with tops. So far, only one has left the building. This top is really cool. I love the larger sequins, the kind of like round sequins. This is kind of like what that new Fendi bag is made of. But I'm not too sure about the shape. I mean, I feel like I need to style this one up real quick. Okay, just threw on some dark jeans to casual it up a little bit. And those heels I've been styling everything with, and it's a vibe. Okay, so this top I actually had in the sell pile before, but then I remembered I had this skirt and I thought it would be such a cool outfit together, and so it's just something I want to wear. Okay, so I rescued this polo top from the donation pile or the to sell pile yesterday because I just felt like the color is so perfect, so rich, the quality is there, and I'm trying so hard to make this a fit, a look, but I'm struggling right now. Like, this feels a little bit more my style. It's a little bit more of a fit for me, so should I let it go? This little jacket I got to wear in Hawaii, well, originally in Mexico, that never happened. Then Florida never happened, and then I was like, oh, Hawaii, perfect, and then I forgot I had it because it was in a closet, in a bin in a closet. So I'm really happy I'm taking her out now. I can definitely style this with like a t-shirt, jeans for a more casual day, or just like a really fun kind of like glittery pants. Okay, down to the last few tops. This was that top that I didn't know really how to style it when I was doing my initial cleanse. I wanted to try on, And honestly, it just feels, the shape of it is kind of odd for me. It's a little kind of wide, but not in like an oversized way. Therefore, I should probably let it go. This gold top I was unsure about because I didn't really like the like mid scoop neck that it comes with, but I just turned it around for a high neck effect and I love it. First of all, I'd remove the tag. Then could I do a full send on the metal? Yeah. It's absolutely giving what it's supposed to give and very much here for it. All right, moving on to jackets. One gem I did find in the bins, and by bins I mean my bins, like my clothing bins. This cropped little Kelly green moment. I was literally just about to add to my list like more fitted blazers because most of my blazers are actually oversized and I don't have anything really fitted, but not in like a way, you know? So I found this and I was like, oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is what they mean by shop your closet. Found this last spring and I was really excited about it when I found it because it's kind of like a color faux fur crop jacket that I thought I would wear a ton and I have yet to style it. I'm not ready to let go. It's a cool like double lapel 70s-esque jacket I found. I really like the color, especially now for spring. Can't remember where I thrifted this, but this is a really good one. Okay, the only thing I'm getting rid of is this jacket. I recently thrifted it, but it's a little bit more snug than I would want to for a leather jacket, and it's such a good one that I think she deserves a better home. So this is coming to my Depop soon. Going through dresses super quickly, and I love, love, love this. I needed it to fit better, so I think I'm gonna have it altered. One, to crop it a little bit more, modernize it, and see if like this button can be moved or something. I mean, I do have layers underneath, so I have to try it on properly, but this long sleeve mesh number that goes into velvet, it's not a fit because it's too short. Like I would want it to be a little bit longer than it actually is. Part ways with this one, unfortunately. And then this baby, I mean, she just does not fit me the way I want her to fit me, like not super fitted, so I'm gonna say adieu. I love this dress so much. Have to figure out an alteration or something that could be done to it because wow, this is a dress. This is a dress. Alright fam, thank you so much for watching this video and cleansing my closet with me. Honestly, I am so excited now that the space is completed. It looks and feels exactly how I want it to, and I have all of the pieces that fit me well and I know I'm going to use and I love and will serve me moving forward. So I'm super excited. Like I said last video, I'm definitely going to be styling a lot more now that I can see all my stuff. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see from me in the future. Any more home content that you guys are craving or want to check out from me, and I shall deliver hopefully soon. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I post every Thursday-ish about thrifting, secondhand shopping, having fun with your fashion, and now my closet apparently. In the meantime, you can find me at Chels on all my social media platforms. I love you guys so much. See you next week. Bye.